All right, you guys. So welcome back, and yeah, welcome back. I don't know which particular part of the video is this, but I'm continuing from where we stopped the last time. Okay, so let's just open up the browser and okay. So I want us. So before we continue doing anything, I want us to just like kind of like arrange this and make these links, to point somewhere. All right. So very quickly, come over to this. And let's come over to templates. Let's go over to, I think, base.html. So we have create ticket, right? Okay. Let's see something. Just a minute. Where am I again? Yes. So for here, yes. So just call this ticket, right? And um, say active. All right. So say let's just call this active ticket. All right. So active ticket. Mm, hold on. So I want us to be able to do something. Hold on. Let's see. Active tickets. Okay. And probably have doing like resolved tickets, right? Okay. All right. Let's see. Um. So I think we might have to come over to. Okay. So I think we might have to do some changes. Um. So let's just make this home, and then this one as well to home as well too. This link is not necessary now, so let's just make this out now. Um, alright, let's just leave this as it is. Okay, because I have to do something now. So let's go over to tickets, and yeah, so I have to remove something I implemented. So let me show you guys quickly. So let me just refresh. Okay, sorry, my server is not running. Let me just quickly run my server. Try this over here. No server. Okay, cool. So refresh, and then you can see tickets change, active tickets, result tickets. So click on here, obviously it takes you home. Here takes you home as well. So here it takes you to create a new ticket. So I want us to remove this. I don't think it's necessary at the end of the day, right? Because I just want this to be for managing ticket only. So however you want to connect with the customer, probably that you can use a third party tool to do that. Probably you can use like your business email, something similar. So I want us to like just remove this from here. Um, so to do that, let's just open our VS Code and come over here to tickets. First of all, let's go over to form. Let's remove it from form. So contact mode. Let's just take that out. All right. What else up UI? Contact mode. Let's take this out as well too. I don't think it's needed. So now we've done that. Come over to templates. Tickets. Create ticket. I think this one. Let's just move this one out. Not needed. All right. So we'll just run something here. All right. So say PI manage PI make navigations. And we can rate it. No server. Okay, cool. So which means that when we try to refresh, we won't see that here. I think that makes more sense. So okay, now let's go over to where we so now when we look at tickets, let's see all active tickets. So let's make some changes here actually. Come over to the views. All right. So we can just say customer, and then we can just say active tickets. All right. Um, so let's just all active tickets, and then we'll just copy this as well too. Paste in here, and you can just say result. I'm coming. I'm so sorry, guys. That was my grandma calling me. Had to attend to her. Okay, so here we have customer active ticket, customer um, resolve ticket, and let's do resolve. All right. So here we're gonna do here we're gonna do two things. So customer request record the customer, and then um we're gonna do status is now equal to, hold on, this will not work. Hold on. But hold on, let's see, it's not just a result. Okay. Status not defined. That's weird. Okay, hold on, let's see. Uh status equals to result. No, no, hold on. I think I'm doing something. If result, yeah, let's just use this parameter instead. This parameter makes more sense. So we'll just say resolved is resolved false, right? And this one is resolved is going to be true. Okay, that makes more sense. True. Okay, so customer, let's call it active tickets. Customer result tickets. We just have to change this. URLs of UI customer hold on, customer active tickets. Let's call this customer active tickets path. Okay, customer result tickets. Use the customer result tickets. Name customer result tickets, right? Okay, customer active tickets as well too. Okay, I think that makes sense. So we'll have something. So when we create a ticket, we want you to go to customer active tickets. Right, makes sense. So we just have to create this. So just change this into, so come over to tickets. So just rename and paste this in here, active tickets. Yes. So we're going to attend to this one later anyways. So let's just start off with this one. Okay, so I think we still have this running. Cool. So come over to base.html, and where do we have active tickets? So come over here, and then URL. Let's call this customer active tickets. Right. So come over here and just refresh. Okay, so tickets, active tickets, you can see our active tickets, right? 10 hours ago, you can see it has changed. Last time we were working with this was like seconds or minutes ago. All right, so I don't want to see these things. I don't think I like it anymore. So let's remove it. It's just kind of messy. So let's just remove the. Oh, I think I have very. messy space. So let's remove this. Come over to tickets, customer active tickets. Let's just clear this out. I don't want to be seeing this anymore. I'm fed up. All right, let's see how this looks. All right. Okay, this looks very simple. So I don't want to add status here. Let's just leave it at pending. See, that makes more sense. So just remove this. All right, so remove this and remove this as well. So okay, so let's see how that looks like. Cool. So I want to remove this created 13 hours ago. Let's just remove that. Or okay, we can leave that. Can we leave that? We created 13 hours ago. Hmm. Okay, let's just leave that as it is. So we can view details, right? Is there any other thing we need to see? Pending. Okay, let's just leave it as this. I'm not really a good UI person, so let me just leave it as it is. Probably my UI guys might have something good. I mean, if you're very good with front end, please just you can just create something and share with me so that I can just replace this and make something better. Okay, so let's look at the ticket details. So when we click on view details, we want to see something, right? So let's come over to tickets and then we'll just do ticket details.html. You know what it is, so we'll just do extend page.html, come over here and we'll do block content, come over here and then we'll just do extend, sorry, hold on, sorry, and block content, right? So I already have a HTML file for this, so I'll just drag it in here and then just copy and paste. Cool. All right, so I have to copy and paste from, I think from here, right? Right? Yeah, from here. Okay, so let me just mark this. Yeah, I'm meant to stop because I might be confused. Okay, all right, so we're just going to copy this all the way down, here, then Control C to copy, and then ticket details, we're just going to paste it in here, then just for my documents. All right, cool. So let's move over to customer active tickets and then view ticket details. We can just ticket in here, and now you can see that I wanted to show you guys something last time. You can see this ticket ID is working because of what we implemented, because of this. So we can see we have our ticket ID here. So we're not going to be making use of this ID. We're going to make use of this one because I trust this one more than I trust this one. Actually, I do. So okay. So ticket details, right? So let's do something. Come over to active tickets, this one, and then we'll just do URL, and then we'll just do ticket details, uh, ticket details, ticket ID. All right, that makes sense. So come over here and then let's refresh. So we're going to do view details, and voila, this is how it looks like, right? This is how, so you can see that we are now looking at it from, the what's it called, the ticket ID that we are generating, right? I think this makes a whole lot of sense actually. And I think we can also put the ticket ID on the tickets here. So we'll come over to active tickets. We can also put the ID here. I think that will make sense as well. So let's see what we can do. Um, okay, let's see what we can do there. So we can just do something like this. Ticket title. Okay. So we can just do something like this. Ticket. Hold on. Ticket dot ticket ID. I think this will make sense. Okay. Okay. So we can just call it. Um, we can just do the pound sign here. All right, and then just break tag. Oh, I wish I was a front end guy. Things would have been so easy for me. Okay, so I think this makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. So let's let's make this bold. I think that will make sense if we make it bold. All right, and then just add another like BR tag again here. So let's see how that looks like. Yeah, makes sense. But I think the BR tag is too much. I think it's too much. Let's just remove that one and let's refresh. Let's see. Okay, so I think we can go with this one. All right, I think we can go with this one. Or alternatively, let's try something. So since it's already pending, and since we've already demarcated um, how we can see our ticket, so which means all active ticket to show up here, all resolved ticket to show up here. So there's no point having this pending here showing up. So what we can do is we can just I think for now it would be better if we could oh Lord help me I don't even know which one would be better. Okay, hold on. Let's try something. So instead of having this here, I think we could also have this. Okay, so let's just copy this and let's do something like this. All right. Okay, I think this makes sense. Okay, I think this would make sense. Let's see. Yeah, I think this would make sense. So this is like the ticket number, basically. hmm This is like the ticket number. So let me just remove this here and then just leave space. See how that looks like. Okay, I'm spending too much time with the UI. My God, too much time. What's the time? All the time, right? No times. Okay, so created an hours ago. Let's just leave it at like this. Let me not um punish you guys with this UI thingy I'm doing. So view details. Obviously, you look at the different ID. Come over to active ticket again. All right. So view details here. Obviously, the different ID as well. So cool. So we're going to be working with this one, and then we're going to see how we can make this dynamic. Come over to ticket details, and what we want to put here now is so here is going to be ticket ID, sorry, ticket title or the ticket underscore title. All right, so this is going to be the description. So it's going to be ticket underscore description. I believe that was what I called it. Let me quickly check my ticket models.py. Yes. Okay. They will also have a quick info as well, so but let's just leave that and let's refresh. All right, now you can see how do I install Office apps, and then you can see the description here as well too. Okay. So for this one, we want to also make it dynamic. So come over here and then we'll just copy this one. All right. Copy this one and paste it in here. Okay. So format document. Pending. All right, cool. So when we refresh, obviously it should turn to pending and yellow. Yes. So that's just letting us know that it hasn't been assigned to any engineer yet. And what's the time? 19. Okay. So quick info. Um, just put something here about the tickets, basically. So we can just say um, view more information about the ticket. No, or alternatively, you say take information about the ticket and the customer that you are supporting. All right. Makes sense. All right, makes sense, makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. Okay. Um. Oh, okay. So here are some quick some quick information. Here is Here's some information about it. Okay. So instead of making this our anchor tags, we can just do something. Hold on. We can just come over here, right? And let's just make another list. All right. So let's call this So we have tickets. Hold on. Tickets underscore ID. All right. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Makes sense. Yeah. I think this just expanded. Did you guys see that? Wait. Let's see. Oh, okay. Obviously, you have to expand. Added something. Okay. All right. So we can just just remove this. If we need to use it, we'll just put it back in. But all right. So ticket ID. So let's see what we can. Let's just call this ticket ID or ticket unique ID. All right. So let's see how that's going to look like here. Ticket unique ID. All right. So we also have let's make it like italics. I don't know. Let's see how that will look like. Sorry, I'm keeping you guys here just testing out these things. Okay, ticket unique ID now. Italics doesn't make any sense. Okay, let's just make it bold. Um, all right, sorry for keeping you guys here. What's your time? 22. Oh, I've just been doing UI 10 times. Okay, so let's do another one again, another list. So let me just post my models of UI. Let's see what we're working with. So we want to have customer name, all right, or just say customer, okay, and um, all right. So let's just do customer, customer. Sorry, hold on. Sorry, up tickets dot customer. So this might give me like something generic because we didn't like define it. Oh, it didn't. How is it retrieving username when we didn't define it? That's weird. But anyways, that's really weird though. But anyways, yeah. So we have the email of the customer, right? Guessing that's the username as well too. So LI, what are we working with? But hold on, let's look at why that actually showed up. Let's go to accounts. Let's go to models. We didn't define anything, or probably by default though. The username comes up by default. Maybe in this abstract user. I see. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so going back here. Oh Lord, where's ticket models again? All right, let me just make some changes here. Come, just stay there. All right, cool. So we have our engineer. Okay, so engineer. We can just say assigned engineer. This will show us none actually. So ticket engineer, right? Um, which one else? We have status already showing created on. Okay, so we just have that list, and then we can just say created on. Tickets dot created on. So another one again is resolved severity. Um, let's just do severity. All right, severity. Let's use this tag, and then we'll just say ticket severity. All right, so I think this makes sense. So let's just see what's going on. So let's see how this works. All right, so let's refresh. And yeah, I think this makes sense. But let me just create it on. I think we have to make this. I think we have to make this. Hold on, let's try something. Let's try something. So let's make this like a B tag, right? See how that works. Okay, no, we just have customer here. All right, create another one again, and then we have created a severity. I think I like this one like this. I think I like this like this. So let's just remove this the tags here. Remove this tag here as well too. Oh Lord, I'm wasting too much time on my UI. I don't want to be doing this. Okay. Alright, so I think this makes sense. So ticket ID, we have it here, customer, engineer assigned none, created on, we can see when it was created on, and then severity. You can also change this format. I think we'll do that later, but I think I like this format already. No point changing it. Okay, so that makes sense, all right, and we can, excuse me, we can start working from here. All right, so for resolution steps, we're always going to see this, but let's just do something where if the ticket is resolved, we don't want to see this. We want to see the resolution instead than seeing this. But if it hasn't been resolved, then we want to see this. So to do that, come over here and then just come over to card. So I think that's where it is, and then we're just going to say if ticket dot is resolved, then we want to see this. Um, if ticket is resolved, else we want to see. So if ticket is resolved, we want to see something else. Else, if it's not resolved, we want to see something else. And then we'll just come here and then we'll just do and here, right? Okay, so let me just make sure that everything is okay. So we're still going to see this anyways. All right, still going to see this. All right, so when a customer or when an engineer works with a customer and then it's been resolved, obviously because I'm logged in as a customer, I shouldn't be seeing this, but for testing purposes, I just want us to see this for now, right? So we just know how to arrange this. But moving on, customers will not be able to see this resolution steps, this box per se where you can fill this in. So this can only be seen by the engineer working on the ticket. So what the customer can just see is um, basically this, and if it has been resolved or not actually. So once it has been resolved, then they can now see the resolution steps that was implemented to resolve the issue. But let's just tweak this and then tweak this, right? um so come over here and then we just say uh here's how the issue is resolved, right? And um resolve. Okay, so basically I want an issue. So I want an instance where okay, hold on. So let's do resolve, or we can say mark as resolved. Okay, so I want an instance where once um the engineer clicked on this mark as resolved, then they get like this popping come up here, and then they can say, okay, yeah, yeah, sure, sure, I've been able to resolve this ticket, or they can just cancel out, or they can say, okay, I've been able to resolve this ticket and save changes. So let's just do something here. I'll just call this show you want to continue. All right, so save changes, etc. All right, cool. So I think this makes sense. All right, so market resolved. So you want to continue, then we save changes, right? But it's not doing anything now because we haven't like pointed it anywhere yet. We're still going to work on that. What's the time? 30 minutes. Okay. So I think I'm going to stop here, and then when we come back, we're going to look at how we can connect all these things here and just add some dynamic nature to everything else. All right. And I will see you guys in the next video. So bye for now.